Hi, this is Avinash Singh, founder of Training Influence. Let's influence the world. This is day 12, video 12 of hashtag 21 days to better me. Be positive. Be positive, Avinash. Be positive. Yes, indeed. That's my blood type. Be positive. But I have heard so many people saying as if it's like going ahead and drinking a mouthful of water. It's easy to say to be positive, but when we are struck with unsurmountable challenges in life, it's very difficult to stay positive. How much ever we believe in positive thinking. I remember I started my career in international BPOs, that is call centers. And I used to dread the night shifts. It was very challenging. It was unprecedented. And I used to hate it. Day in and day out, I used to speak with people in US, posing as someone from US, and I used to think at that point of time that is it worth it? Is it something that I want to do? Now, if I look back in the hindsight like Steve Jobs did, connecting the dots, I feel that call centers helped me to speak fluently in English, to have a neutral accent, to pronounce most of the words correctly, which unfortunately couldn't happen in my state board education. So when I think back, I am positive about the impact of the choice of career that I made, and eventually I ended up becoming a trainer. But at that point of time, I wasn't positive. Believe me, there was not an iota of positiveness in my body. So how do we become positive? How do we practice positive thinking if all that we get is those negative thoughts, those thoughts that tell you that it can't be done, it is not possible, it is something which you won't enjoy, stop risking it? How do we overcome that? Now, one thing which I found out very effective, the first thing is that our mind compares. Comparison is something which we love. And that's why we love Facebook, because that's what it started as, right? Comparing to people. When you go ahead and compare, here's a small tweak that you can do. We always compare ourselves with those better than us. At least we think in terms of what we are comparing ourselves with. Better house, better car, more money, better position. We always compare ourselves with someone who's better. Why not be thankful for what we have and compare ourselves with someone who's less fortunate? Immediately, you will feel a sense of humility, a sense of thankfulness that we have a lot of things which the other person doesn't have. And that will instill a bit of positive thinking in us, that we are in a better place. If we focus, we can go ahead and overcome bigger challenges in life. The other part, the second part to positive thinking, is that it takes a lot of effort. Only thinking won't take you anywhere. It's believing. And believing can happen when your thinking gets stronger and stronger each and every day. Now, in these unprecedented times of COVID-19, the pandemic, we are all in the lockdown. Some people trying to hone their skills, some people just surviving. And I know I have been in a better place because fortunately I didn't go through those crisis moments of contracting that disease. I was able to, till now, avoid it. And that gave me a positive attitude that I have something which I can be thankful for. And I can focus, take efforts in the direction where I can do something about it, or I can use this time to be better. Now, when you are thinking a lot of things, there has to be the calculation of pros and cons, and that will help you make a better decision of what you should actually focus on. There will always be pros and cons in every decision, and when you weigh that, and if you lean towards the positive outcomes, more often than not, you will be leaning towards thinking positively in your life. All in all, I believe that you should focus on comparing yourself. If you ever want to compare with someone who is less fortunate, and immediately you will feel the humility and the change in the way you think, and be thankful for the things you have. And second, weigh the pros and cons. Try to change the thinking into believing, and you will be able to see a tinge of positivity flowing through you. And over, if you keep making the choices of being positive, then you'll be able to be a positive believer, and that will keep you positive for a longer period of time. Until next time, this is Avinash Singh from Training Influence, telling you that life doesn't get easier. We become stronger by facing it.